You have to behave yourself, just in case. You never know. Makes you think how insignificant we are. And Roger's watching. I'm surprised they're not in the pub. The wind's a little bit fierce, it's catching the mic, I think. Can't really slow down, you're going downhill. It's steep. This doesn't seem to show it. That's not even the top. Enough. You've obviously seen enough. Seen enough, done enough. And there we go. Oh, I know Caroline has a penchant for cake. Anyway, we'll catch you lots later. Might have something. Say bye. Bye.